Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Wolf Pup 18 RJB. This camper comes in at 22 feet 8 inches tongue to bumper and weighs just over 3,800 pounds empty. As we get started up front here, we have your tongue jack, and this is the quick drop where you can flip the handle over and use a driver to run this up and down. 20-pound LP tank bottle that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Behind that is your battery rails where you can set your battery box and tie it right into it. We have your curved radius front end here. With your front storage, we have the magnetic door catch and extra light inside. Lots of storage and the spare tire that is included. We do have your manual jacks here. You can crank those down. We have 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And then we also have an LP quick disconnect here. So if you have a portable gas grill, you can take that with you and tap right into the gas on the camper. We also have this power awning behind me with the blue LED accent light here. Each leg is fully adjustable, so if the sun's coming down, you can adjust the pitch of that. We have your black tempered glass entrance door. It's a full-size entrance door, sturdy steps going in, and the oversized grab handle. Right down beside that, you'll notice we have the wolf head emblem here. We have your holographic light that shines down, so at nighttime that really pops and sets you apart from the others. Also with your entrance door, as I mentioned, it is a full-size door, full-size screen door as well with the integrated window. This is a toy hauler, so we do have a ventilation system in the garage area, so if you have something with fumes, you can keep that aired out as you're traveling down the road. Huge picture window here, outside entertainment center where you can hook your TV in right here. We have outside speakers that light up blue, and then your TV connections right here. Center cap is popped off. You'll notice this has the adventure package on it with the diamond plate running on the bottom here, oversized tire with the off-road knobby style. Center cap's popped off. It's the quick easy lube axle, and each wheel is going to have self-adjusting brakes and a tire pressure monitoring system. So this will turn red if you are low on air. So we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. We have your leash latch. We are pet friendly here so the furry family members can tag along. We have the patio system all set up for you. Really opens it up. There's a screen wall that will roll down as well. You'll see that with our pictures online. We have your bright LED light and your backup camera already included. Up top on this side, we have the ladder prep. So you can purchase a ladder separately that hooks right in there to get up on the roof for maintenance purposes. Here's that other vent for your cross ventilation. We are going to have a sewer hose holder down below to stick your sewer hose when not in use. It comes with a black tank flush. So when you're done camping for the weekend, you hook up your water hose and it'll blast out the tank for you. We have your furnace vent. This is a 30 amp unit and it comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord. We have this nice LED light over here by your dump station and connections. I mean, if it's nighttime, you can see what's going on. We have your dump station down below. Gray handle for the gray tank, black handle for the black tank. Outside shower with hot and cold water. It's got your coil hose sprayer here. Water connections. If you're at a campground, you hook up to the city water. That'll pressurize the lines for you. This will fill up your fresh water tank. So if you're dry camping or boondocking, you can turn on your water pump and use that water. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater. So it is gas only since it's on demand, but about 60% more efficient than what we've used in the past. So gas only, on-demand water heater. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18 RJB. And now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice we have another light shining down with the Wolf Pup logo there. Bed up front here with the bunk above it. The restroom directly across as you walk in. Nice open floor plan here. And we'll go ahead and get started right inside the entrance door. This is going to be your vent on the inside here. Right down below that, we have your main control panel to see how full and empty your tanks are. Turn on the water pump, your lights, run your awning in and out. This camper is also equipped with 12-volt heating pads on all of your holding tanks. Large picture window, another window in the back there. As you can see the tie downs, they come all the way up. We do have another one right around the corner here. Dinette in the back, which can also turn into another sleeping area. And those will also fold up to the wall, so you can get your toys in here. Overhead storage, again with the screen wall that will roll down so you can keep the bugs out. We have a subwoofer. There are 2 interior speakers. One more right over here to the right as well. With the porch down, really opens everything up. Lets a lot of fresh air, a lot of light in here. Great feature. The other side, we have your other vent here. A 110 outlet, 12 volt charge ports with a USB and C charge port there. Stereo up top, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. We do have 100 watts of solar on the roof, so we have your voltmeter up top there. Overhead storage, we have your microwave in here. We also have this large kitchen window. We have the large single bowl sink, high-rise faucet. As you can see, plenty of space in there. 2-burner stove top with the cover. And of course, more storage down below. You have your furnace directly underneath the stove there. Then underneath the refrigerator, we're gonna have your breakers and fuses, a CO2 detector, and that red key is gonna be a 12 volt cutoff switch that will kill all 12 volt power to the battery. So when the camper is in storage or you're not using it, you can flip that key and keep your battery charged up. We have the 12 volt refrigerator, which is much deeper than the gas electric style. So it is a lot bigger inside as well. Here's a look going up to the front. We have your thermostat on the wall just before the bathroom here, and that will control your furnace for you. And as we move into the bathroom area, we have another thermostat that is going to be for your on-demand water heater to turn that on and off and adjust the temperature of it. We have a towel holder, 12 volt vent up above. The toilet is going to be directly below here. And then we do have your shower, which has the curtain to pull around. It also comes with the shower surround with the built-in shelves. We have your coil hose sprayer here. And it's also going to have an integrated sink built right into the side of it. And then we will take a look at the front bedroom area. It's going to have a window right down here by the foot of the bed. It's going to have a bunk up top. And then another window. We got lots of lights up here. Another USB and USB charge port. On the right-hand side, that is going to be a 110 outlet that has an inverter built into it. So while you're traveling down the road, that outlet will be hot and you can use that even if you are running strictly on 12 volt power. So another cool feature here. And then of course, the comforter comes with it. And we have your queen size bed up in the very front. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Wolf Pup 18 RJB. If you guys have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.